Hi, all. Hope you're doing good. Today, I'm here to give a presentation on my project. So, my project is a TA management system. So, it's a web application. So, the architecture of my project is shown here. So, it's a mernstack web full stack application. So, where we are using React as the front end JavaScript library. So this is our client side framework, and we are using MongoDB for database management, and React, ExpressJS for server side scripting, and Node.js for backend development operations. So the whole idea of this Monserve application is clearly conveyed here. So whatever the database that is in the MongoDB, or else whatever the data we need to push into the MongoDB, that can be managed through Node.js server. So we get through Node.js backend development, we can extract the data from the MongoDB and we can push the data to the MongoDB. So that is a key concept here. And coming to the ExpressJS, we use ExpressJS here for server side rendering. So all the middleweights and are part of Node.js server. And coming to React.js, React.js is a predefined JavaScript library that can accommodate HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap all at one place. So this is the whole brief of OneStack application, and why we use MongoDB, why compared to other database management, because MongoDB is very flexible and lightweight database model. So, and it also deals with objects very efficiently. So that is why we choose MongoDB as our backend database model. And not only that advantage, it can handle schemas very efficiently without no queries. So there are no queries requirement for developing application from the backend perspective. So that is also one advantage here. And coming to the demo of the web application, the React application is running on the close to 3000. So this is the dashboard. This is the homepage, how it is look like. So it is having latest postings, latest jobs here, and this is the footer section. And this is having all the quick links, and it is the contact us uh, help support. So phone and email, and this is copyrights one. And this is the main banner. This is a common component which says uh, at what page we are in. So in future I will be discussing about this thing. And so let's check into the login system first. So we need to create an account for there are so our project consists of only four users. One is TA applicant, and instructor and administrator, and the last one is committee members. So for not to apply for a job, the user must be signed in first. So that is the first criteria. If you click on apply now, this will be taking into sign up page. So their user will be creating account, and he can freely apply all the TA postings available for him based on the such recommendations and stuff. So let's start creating an account. So the C number is a number field, and this is a dynamic form, and it can handle the form level errors from the back end and from the front end as well. So if I click on sign up, as there is no password field, it is showing the password field as error. If I remove uh, last name as well. It is showing as last name is required. From the top level, it look for the errors. So if I fill the last name, it will again show the password is required. So I'll just type the password and we'll head to the sign in page. So the account creation is successful and it is showing us please sign in. So the backend request is successful as well from the front end. I will show that in the network tab. If we go to our database model, is the latest entry will be recorded here in the TA hub collection where it is having so as of now we create a new user, so our user will be recorded here. Whatever the things just now created, it is recorded here. So we can go to sign in. So you can just log in whatever the credentials we have created as. It is throwing an error saying as user that email doesn't exist because there is a casing mismatch. So you just need to type it as small. So the signing is successful. We got two error responses, two responses. One is 400, which is error for not providing the correct email, and one is successful signing 200 error. And so signing is successful. Whatever the data is created is so this role is zero is for TA user, and so this is a role based application. So based on the role 0, it is going to be TA user. Role 1, it is going to be administrator, and role 2, instructor, and role 3 committee members, as like the it goes. So the user dashboard is having my jobs and update profile section. So if we click on my jobs, he can apply for the jobs available for him. So if I want to make a new application here for this cryptography, just create a application, and user can enter his personal details again. And this is the important aspect here. So user can switch between the states if he is having experience. It will be our data model will be asking for additional fields, what kind of experience and what kind of courses he previously dealt for. So you can specify here something like software and data science, and you can specify the dates from where he served. For suppose from 2022 to 12 2023, he served as a TA for 1 year. So just this is a file upload section which is 1 MB in limitation. Just need to search for our resume. I'm just uploading my resume here. So this is a PDF format, so I need to upload in a PDF format again. Suppose this is a resume. I can upload the same thing here. If I click on submit application, it will be taking to the So again, I'm uploading my resume. So this time it's 50 KB. So let's start applying for a job. So if I go to user dashboard, which is TA dashboard, and if I click on my jobs, it will be landing into the postings of the job. So if I click on something like aerospace analytics, just create a job for you, application for this job. Let's put some valid data. This is unique field, so this cannot be duplicated multiple times. So let's put some valid data. If I click on resume upload section, this it is the resume I'm uploading. So if I click on submit application, uh, this is the success message we'll be getting. We can redirect to home, and we can go to dashboard, and we can check all the list of the applications that we have made on here. So these are the list of applications so far we made, and this is the user dashboard, TA dashboard, and TA dashboard can edit his name and the email and password fields. So this is also one of the feature of the website. And I'm logging out from as a TA user, and let's hit to uh, TA company member of the website. This is the company member credential. So from our backend system, we are going to change the roles of the user. So correspondingly, based on the role 0123, we are going to deliver the dashboard. So the role for committee member is 3. So if the role is 3, we are going to render the committee dashboard. Let's look into a schema. So this is the 3, and John is the first name. John at the rate of FA dot is the email. So last name C. So John at the rate of FA. So he's a committee member. He can review the applications. He can make decisions on it. So these are the applications that are received here. So for he completed for 4 applications. So just we can make a decisions out of it. Select and review. Click on select application with uh, the status will be selected to the user will get the selection state. If you log into user again, so you can see this is the selected state. So selected is he selected for the job. So you can the status is fetched here, and let's look into the committee members instructor dashboard. So the signing credential is TA. So instructors can evaluate the performance of all the TA users. So here these are our TA users. He can evaluate by submitting a form. It is a out of 10 scale based evaluation. So if you can submit, the evaluation results will be posted, and this is the instructor dashboard. He can evaluate the performance. And coming to administrator, administrator can create new employments and manage all the employments that are created. So he can do this kind of stuff. Let's create so this is the role of the admin here. So coming to code structure, this is the code structure where TA hub is the backend layer and the TA front end is a client side layer. So we created controllers and helpers for handling errors and models for what kind of specifying the data schema. So these are the schema models. So if we are creating a form, we just need to create a schema first. So first name, last name, Z number, resume, these are all the schema data types. Specify the logically, yeah. So what kind of field accept which kind of data? So that is defined here in the models, and there are routes wherein all the API routes are declared here. So get, put, CRUD operations all listed here. Create, update, post, put, all these things. And coming to the front end layer of the application, this is the front end layer of the application. It is having administrator and authorization routes, sign in, sign up, helpers. These and all the authorization routes for successful resource fetching. And the core layer is a layer that helps for the delivering common components, and instructor. These are the user dashboards, admin dashboard, API user, all the user related APIs are listed here. So application, this is a form application, committee dashboard and the evaluation form similarly, and thank you page, user dashboard, sign in, sign up page. So these are all the front end routes. So here we can declare it admin route, instructor route, private routes. So that based on these routes, all the things are fetched. So this is all about my mernstack application. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.